Hello, hello. I am going to make a Texas Caviar, which is a bean dip. It's kind of like a salsa. And I am going to go through my ingredients. So I'm going to add some black beans. I got these organic black beans from Whole Foods. I have some black-eyed peas. I only could find them in a can, quick the way I wanted them to. I know you could buy them other ways, but we need to do this quickly. I have some organic garbanzo beans. And I have some summer crisp white choux peg corn. It's yummy. You can or cannot add this. It's up to you. You do need some sugar. So we have our stevia sugar in the raw. I'm not going to use a lot of this, just a tad bit of it. And of course we have our onion that I have to slice and dice and cut up just right. In addition to the onion, we need green peppers, we need some chopped up celery, and we need apple cider vinegar. That's what's gonna give this a great taste. We need about 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. So these are my ingredients. One thing I forgot to mention, wait a second. We need our diced pimentos. So we're gonna add that. That gives it a little dash of color. I don't really taste it a whole lot, but it's just yummy. When you put it all together, it is yummy. And then we have, to top it off, is our blue corn tortilla chips. And I just love these chips. They have sesame seeds, blue corn, flax seeds, sea salt, quinoa, sunflower seeds. What we're looking for, very little saturated fat, 0.5 grams, I'll take that. 140 calories for 10 chips, so that's pretty good. We have 2 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, 18 carbs. So not too bad, not too bad. I'll take that. Here are the ingredients you can pronounce. We have organic blue corn is our first ingredient. So I always look at what comes first. What's the first thing on that ingredient list? And so we are in business. We are in business for our salsa and dip. I just finished cutting the last of my green peppers, and here we have it. So our ingredient says to use 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, which I did, 1 tablespoon of water, which I added, 1/2 a cup of oil. I am not adding 1/2 a cup of oil. I am going to spray some avocado oil in there and see what it does. And then I also am going to add some packets of stevia sugar. It says to put 1 cup of sugar, and I'm not going to put that much sugar in mine. Now you can do it however you want. It also says to add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of pepper. Boil ingredients until the sugar dissolves, and then ultimately you're going to pour it over the mixture, which I will show you. Now I am not going to add salt and pepper because I'm not a salt and pepper fan. I'll add it to taste if needed. I usually don't add salt to anything. So this is where it's all going down. Here is my avocado oil. As you can see, I have no rhyme or reason. It says I need 1/2 a cup of oil. That's a lot of oil, but I'm just gonna spray. I'm just gonna spray that in there, bring it to a boil, and we will see what happens. Now, before, when I've made this recipe, I followed it exactly, and it turns out delicious, chef's kiss. But this time, I'm kind of making it a little bit more GLP-1 friendly for what I'm trying to do with my GLP-1 goals. Great protein snack though. I did end up adding the corn. I added the corn because I noticed it had 2 grams of protein and 2 grams of fiber. So we will bring this to a boil and I'll be back. So here we are. This is our Texas caviar in the making. We have our black-eyed peas, we have our garbanzo beans, we have our black beans, we have our corn, and that's just 1 can of that small can of corn. It is 11 ounces of the Summer Crisp white shoe peg corn. So I didn't add the 2 cans, I just have the 2 cans there, but I only added the 1. And I debated about it. This is something you can leave out. I actually put the corn in there because it has 1 gram of fat, it has 2 grams of fiber, and it has 3 grams of protein. And I thought, I'll take all the protein I can get. So as you can see, I washed these and drained these, and they are ready to go in our dish. Okay, so now I have the mixture put in a bowl, and I am going to add the veggies. Look at that. We got our onions, our celery, red onion, celery, and green peppers. You can also use red peppers. And we are just gonna mix this baby up. Okay, here is our little mixture. I don't have a lot in there. I'm pouring it over. It's apple cider vinegar with a little bit of sugar and some avocado oil. And let's see how it turns out. Let me mix it up. Now it's time for the taste test. I am going to add the blue corn. All right, so I'm gonna take a little piece of the chip and just dip it like so. There it is. Here we go. Let's taste it. Very good. Protein, lots of fiber. It's a winner. Try it. Okay, it's not official until we hear from Baby Dee. Baby Dee, what do you think?
Chef's kiss.
Wow, I got a chef's kiss. We love it.